Hey there, aspiring affiliate marketers. My name is Mahesh and welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got an exciting topic for you. We are diving into one of the easiest affiliate programs that can kickstart your journey to passive income online. This is perfect, especially if you are a beginner in affiliate marketing game. So stick around because not only will I introduce you to the incredible tool, but I'll also guide you through 6 different free traffic sources to help you make money online. Even if you are starting from scratch, that's not a problem. These strategies will surely work for you. So before we get into it, if you want to discover my favorite method, my own method to earn around $5,000 to $10,000 a month from home, click the link below and I'll send you the strategy right away once you get registered. And please make a note, you will also be receiving a $97 bonus with that. Okay, so please stick to this video till the end. Why? Because I'm also going to disclose the 6th strategy, which is very important, and also the bonus for you. And guys, if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and start making money in dollars, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? You know, I started from zero and now I'm a proud owner of 2 different companies called Colabik LLC and Stasho Method. So if you would like to be an aspiring entrepreneur, this is the right time for you. You know, take action first, then after you would be surely seeing changes in your lifestyle. Just remember, systems work, people feel. So let's get started with today's video. The star of the show is adcreative.ai. And trust me, it's a game changer in the world of online advertising. This tool assists businesses in acquiring more customers and clients. Plus, it throws in a fantastic $500 Google Ads credit for free. The best part is, when businesses sign up through your unique or affiliate link, you not only earn a commission, but also you'll continue to receive recurring commissions every month as long as they use the tool. Imagine building a steady stream of passive income with just one affiliate program. Now, before we dive into step-by-step tutorial, let me share you some exciting numbers. You know, affiliates are raking in anywhere around $10,000 to $50,000 per month in affiliate commissions from this single tool. Impressive, right? And this tool is widely used AI tool for online advertising. Why? Because it can generate high converting, high ROI ad creatives with just a press of a button. And hold on to your hats, it boosts the best affiliate program in the game. Let me break it down for you. Adcreative.ai is essentially a data company with one of the largest database of high conversions ad creatives. It utilizes generative AI to create conversion focused ad creatives by analyzing data from various social and display platforms. With over 80 data points per image, their unique machine learning model generates high ROI ad creatives ranking by anticipated conversion rates. This is a goldmine for businesses running paid ads online. And there are millions of them out there. Please remember. Now, let's get you on board with the affiliate program. They are offering a whopping 30% recurring commissions every month, and there's even an extra $100 for every 10 users you refer. The more users you bring in, the bigger the rewards. Plus, they provide instant affiliate resources to ensure your success. So to get signed up, just follow the link in the description or scroll down to the bottom of the website adcreative.ai and click on affiliate. Easy, right? So once you click on become a partner, you will be redirected to Partner Stack. And here you need to have an account in Partner Stack. So once you click on that link, you need to fill your details like first name, email address, and all the details what it is asking over there. And you have to link to your social media accounts or website. And also you need to describe how you plan to promote adcreative.ai. Now, once you are done with all these things, once you submit your request, adcreative.ai will accept your application. And once it is accepted, you will receive an email from Partner Stack. Then after, you need to sign in. There you need to go to link section on the left and voila, your affiliate link is ready to roll. But that's not all. Head to the resources section for everything you need to boost your affiliate game. from ad creative resources to affiliate marketing tips, they have got you covered. Now let's talk about the 6 different ways to drive traffic to your affiliate link without needing a massive social media following or a website. But my suggestion is to have a website. Why? Because the 6th strategy is directly linked to the website. All the first 5 strategies are very simple. You can do it without the website, and I'm going to show you the 6th strategy, the advantage of having a website. So this would be a mind-boggling strategy for you. So please watch this video till the end, and don't forget to take the bonus from my side. All right. Now let's talk about 6 different ways to drive traffic to your affiliate link without needing a massive social media following or a website. But guys, please remember, having a website is must. Why? Because there are many advantages if you have a website or a funnel. Now as you see on the screen, this is my exact platform what I'm using to create my website and the funnels. You are going to get the exact same access if you get registered from the first link in the description, absolutely for free for your first 30 days. Then after, Wix Trisus is going to charge you a minimal amount, but when you compare it with other funnel building platforms like ClickFunnels, Kartra, or any other funnel building platforms, you are going to save around 60 to 70% of money. I'm damn sure about that. So, but right now it's absolutely free. You can give it a try after you get registered. And the next thing is like, having a funnel is very important. When you are sharing your affiliate link, if you share it directly, there are chances like it gets spammed and you get blocked from the other social media platforms like Medium, LinkedIn, or any other social media platform. But if you share your funnel link, it is like very authentic. You're not going to get spam, you are not going to get blocked by any other social media platforms. So it is very authentic way to do affiliate marketing. You can do affiliate marketing by sharing direct links. That's not a problem, but make sure you don't get blocked from these platforms. So the first thing what I'm going to do is like I'm going to leverage medium.com. Okay, this is a platform visited by millions and millions of people each month. So I'm going to use a template in ChatGPT. Okay, the exact prompt I'm going to give you to create articles, and once the article is created, I'm going to post that article in medium.com. And here what I've done is like I've included my funnel link. Okay, instead of directly giving away the affiliate link in this article, I've used my funnel link, and from there I'm diverting people to the affiliate link to adcreative.ai platform. And there is an advantage. I'm going to share you the exact advantage what I'm going to do with the funnel in strategy number 6. All right. So then after, this is the first way of marketing the affiliate link I use personally. So you can also make use of the exact strategy. The second way is like I go to Google and I search for businesses worldwide, especially those likely to benefit from adcreative.ai. Then after, I'm going to craft a friendly email. So the in partner stack, you're going to have a resource section, right? In there, you are going to find all the email templates. So you can make use of the same email templates. And here, what I do is like, I'm going to search for gyms in Chicago, and I'm going to get results over there. From those results, I see for websites, and I click on that website, go to contact page, and I'm going to grab their email address. And for that email address, I'm going to draft this email and send them like, these are the services what you're going to get if you get signed up with adcreative.ai. So show some benefits, and of course they are going to like it and they are going to purchase this, and then after you're going to get recurring commissions from there. And the third option what I'm going to use it, Quora.com, where over 700 million people seek answers, right? So find questions related to online ads and businesses, then provide the insightful replies. Okay, you can make use of same ChatGPT to rewrite this into answers. Okay, the same exact article, you can rewrite it into a short answer, and you can paste the exact answer with your funnel link or your affiliate link into the answer. Then after, you can please post it. You can see like many people are going to search for your answer, and if they are interested, they are going to click on your affiliate link and make a purchase. All right, and then after, if you are open to paid strategies, consider solo ads on Udimi. Okay, you will be retaining someone else's email list to promote your affiliate link. It's an investment, but my suggestion is not to go with paid advertisement right away. Once you start generating money, then after you can move with the paid advertisement, but the potential results over here can be significant. And remember, one sign up can cover your cost and even more. Only one sign up is enough for you to cover this exact money you have spent on Udimi. Alright, and the next strategy what I'm going to use is to explore shoutouts on ShoutCart. Even if you don't have a substantial following on your social media, Instagram, Facebook, or anywhere, you can pay influencers to promote your affiliate link to their audience. So it's cost effective, and all it takes is one conversion to make it worth your while. And the last strategy what I'm going to do is Google advertisements. And here what I do is, like, after creating my funnel, okay, you can see this is my funnel, right? I'm going to include analytics over here, Google Analytics, and I'm going to track how many people got visited to my exact web page or the exact funnel. And in the back end, what I do is, like, I'm going to link the pixels of Google ads, and I'm going to retarget advertisements to the people who have visited this place. So you can see, by making use of Medium, Google, Quora, and Udimi, and even ShoutCart, you can find thousands of people going to get attacked to your exact funnel or the web page. And here what you have to do is just you have to retarget the advertisements of adcreative.ai to those people, showing like continuous advertisements. There are lot many chances like these people get converted very easily. Got my point, right? So the exact training, how to retarget and how to generate traffic, free and paid methods, all are discussed by Vix Trisius from the first link in the description. So this is worthwhile. You need to invest. If you take action, then you will be developing for sure. As myself, you can take me as an example. I've started with zero. Now I'm owning 2 different firms where I'm generating thousands of dollars. That is because of Vix Trisius. His program and his strategies really helped me to generate a sustainable income and a sustainable firms. Got it? So if you would also like to get the exact system and access to the exact platform what I'm using to build my website and all this stuff, you can visit the first link in the description, get registered, watch the presentation, and also there is a bonus. As I said, you would be receiving a $97 exact bonus what you're seeing on the screen. This is my program where I teach people how to start a supplement business from their home and start generating income. So this is the exact system what I'm using at present to run my stashshow.com. So you can also make use of the same strategies and get registered. It's very simple. Go get registered. I would be sending you the $97 bonus, and you are going to get covered with everything. All right. And there you have it, guys, a comprehensive guide to kickstarting your passive income journey with adcreative.ai. And I've left links both to adcreative.ai and the affiliate program in the description down below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notifications from mine. See you in my next video. Happy affiliating. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.